is Sunday the 2nd of November 2025. So we stayed at Strawberry Fields Farm Shop at Lifton in Devon last night. Stayed there loads of times. I'll put a link to the park up thing. Anyway, we were going to go on to Dartmoor, but it was absolutely tipping down. So we've driven down to Bodmin, and this is where? Bodmin Station? Bodmin Station. So we're going to get on a steam train and go to somewhere, I don't know. That's what we're doing. It has actually stopped raining. But we drove, it's just started actually, yeah. But it absolutely tipped it down driving here. How'd you get in? I don't know. Anyway. Okay, we're in. Got given seats. We're on coach A, seat 44 and 45. There is a load of kids. So it's going to be a screamy journey, I think. Anyway, God, the sun's right out. It was right in my face. I'm just going down to see the steam engine. Not that you can see because the sun's right in the way, isn't it? So this is Bodmin General Station then. He's on backwards. 5552. If that makes any sense to anybody? That's where we parked Baz. Right, we're on the train. Hi Baz. We're on the train. But for some reason we've never had this before, have we? They've told us where we've got to sit. So we were in our seats, which was like opposite another couple, lovely couple. And we've basically all said, like, why have we all been given our seats when there's like loads of empty bits on the train? So we've moved to the little bit behind where we were sat. So we were sat just behind there. And if we need to, we'll move back again. But yeah, a bit damp really. On a practically empty train, they squashed us all in. Anyway, there you go. That's the view. Lovely, isn't it?
This is dry.
At least it's dry, yeah. It's all decked out in Halloween stuff. Okay, so here is the map. We got on at Bodmin General. So the train is now going... Oh! I thought it was going down.
No, it's going up.
You told me it was going down. Right, got on here, going up to there, and then coming back down, and then carrying on down to here, and then going up to there. Don't know how much of that you can see.
We're now at Boscarne Junction, and the engine's going to come off and go down the other end. This is Boscarne Junction. The railway line used to carry on from here down to Wadebridge and Padstow, but now it's the Camel Trail cycle path. We're now at Bodmin Parkway.
Go past.